Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you may have the notification of my new videos. Hey guys, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to make condensed milk, which is very yummy and tasty recipe, and you can make it at home very easily. Just 2 ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 1 glass of milk, and 1 cup of sugar. So let's get started. Heat up the pan and then pour out the milk on the high flame. So wait when the milk get boil, then we will add sugar in it. Milk is boiling now, and I'm stirring with this spatula because it is very necessary, because when you stir it, the milk cannot stick in the pan, so it's very necessary. Then now I'm going to add sugar. Mix sugar in it, and now you can see I'm stirring this spoon very carefully because it's very sensitive recipe. Friends, you can see the milk is becoming thick, and I'm stirring it on a low flame. So you can see there is a little bit of the shape of the condensed milk. So you can look, it's thick now. So keep stirring it and on the low flame, then it will be ready. So I will show you after when it cooled down. I have placed a plate in a fridge, so I will check it out. Friends, you can see the texture of this condensed milk is thick now, and you have to off the flame. And now I will check it on the cool plate, which I have already put in the fridge. And now you can see a little dropper I am pouring out. And now after some time, when it's cooled down, you can check it. Look, its thickness, it's not going down. That means it is ready. So your condensed milk is ready to serve now. So let it cool down in the room temperature. After you see when it cool down, it will be very delicious and yummy. You can use it for your ice cream, for your desserts, and whatever you want. It's very easy. Friends, our condensed milk is ready. It's very yummy, and look, its consistency is like this. Look, it's very thick and yummy. Looks yummy. So it is homemade condensed milk. So I think you like it. Please click the like button if you like it, or give me thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel. If you like all recipes, please comment me how was it. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.